Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get the tail started. So you do wanna leave a pretty long yarn tail. We're gonna use this to finish the tail at the end. You are gonna be slip stitching in about center of row 8. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna leave that long yarn tail. I'm gonna start just by chaining 23 stitches. Okay, once I've got my chain of 23, I'm gonna go ahead and slip stitch right back into that same spot. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that 2 more times. So I'm gonna have a total of 3 loops of 23 chains. Okay, and 1 more time. Okay, so as I'm completing my last chain of 23, I'm gonna go ahead and still just slip stitch in here, but I'm going to fasten this off. So I'm going right back into the same one. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna leave a very long yarn tail here because we're gonna use this to help with the tail. So I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna completely fasten off here. Okay. So what we're gonna do with these long yarn tails is we're gonna weave them around the tail. So I'm going to do this going in 2 different directions to start here. And you can see I'm just kind of creating the base of the tail. One of your yarn tails will probably be longer than the other one, and that's okay. I'm gonna get down to the base here. I'm gonna tie a knot just to hold that in place. And then I'll weave both of these yarn tails through the body. I'm gonna tie a third one here just to make sure. Okay. So your tail should look like that once it's done, and then we'll just weave these through the body and be complete with the tail.